Where'd he go?
He under the car.
What you mean?
He under the car.
Somebody hit one right there. Oh, he trying to, oh no. He trying to get under the wheel. Come here. Come get this squirrel, man. Come get the squirrel. I need some gloves. I need some gloves. So we're in the middle of the street. This stupid little squirrel just ran under the... It's trying to hide in the tire. And I can't even... Oh my God, come here. Come here, squirrel. Oh my God. Come here, squirrel. Bring your little ass.
Go to the store and get some gloves, Daddy.
Shit.
It's still right there.
Nikki, go, just pick that thing up and throw it over there.
Go get us some gloves.
Oh, you can't just get a shirt out the trunk? Just get a shirt out the trunk. I'm not about to pick this squirrel up. I done had too many animal instances today. And I don't know why this little nigga. But he gonna die. He gonna die. Just like that one died. Oh God. All right, look. Get in. I'm gonna tell you when to pull up. Then you gonna jump out. No!
That's what I'm saying.
All right, I'm gonna pull up. Tell me, you gotta get down there and tell me when to pull up, okay? When he in the middle. Look, make sure he in the... Tell me when. He under the tire? Hey, y'all, I can't make this up. Say hi.
Hi.
I can't make this up. I do not know why this look.
There is a squirrel under the tire. Wait.
You got it?
Okay, wait. Go up some more.
Ah, Nikki.
Daddy, go up some more.
It's a squirrel.
It's a baby
Can you get that squirrel, man?
Go up some more.
Oh, okay. You trying to say pull up.
Okay.
Pull up. Stop. Watch. Might bite you, man.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want to.
You don't want no rain.
Right.
Best thing you do is
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Just get him.
pick
He's
him up like
scared.
that.
Somebody ran with him right there.
That's cool.
Wait.
Thank you. Ah. Get little black squirrel. Get off, little black squirrel. Now you safe. Now you safe. Was you drunk, nigga? Was you drunk? You the second little nigga I say today, bruh. That's what I'm talking about. Cleveland Animal Crew, 216, Baby Squirrel Saver.